Welcome to Lok Sabha election 2019. Cast your vote to the right candidate ki makha zarak poina ngasi si handak pangthok doriba lak tang taran pan pangthok doriba adumba ina Manipur parliamentary constituency ki mikhala sida mirep oiriba mirep ani maroina sangnai raba khoi matam sangna khoi miyam gi seba tawdun lakpa aduga handakta adumba national party dagi tok laga khoi regional party rum changa akanda Manipur gi adumba miyam gi seba tawgi hain changa khiba NEIDP ki mirep oiriba yamu arken ni khimde harmukta arken mutara mokshiri aduga ani subada khoi oide lairiba sina khoi matam sangna khoi Manipur miyam gi seba tawna laba aduga lep khiba dol adudagi hongba leitana hek yaw khiba dol adudagi ngasi fawda hongdana adumba miyam gi seba tawna laiba khoi CPI gi mirep oiriba Dr. Nara mutara mokshiri khumjeri ai han bada ai amung dalak sege babung maruina khoi hana khoi national party am dele me congress ta aduga madugi mamang da khoi regional party DRPP hodok pada achogo thodang lobi rei madugi matung da khoi congress ta sange congress ta khoi MLA karam adugi matung da NEIDP da chang akanda MP gi election sanga ibase kari maram gi no haibase people na khanging bani sai matang amung ge mon entham
ma'am Manipur ma'am pudam ko han to kurumjari कोई reasons the height है कोई political history लंदन से की राष्ट्रीय को इब वाफम में आमा ने खुनाई की कोई जाति से की वही ना how कमाई तोड़गा कोई जहोर की बगे अरे मर्द तो कमाई तोड़ पा कई कमाई तोड़ कोई national struggle से कमाई तोड़ की में आम सिंह से याम clear हो भी history ले जाए पुआरी ले जाए अरे कोई ना तांग खाई तारे कोई ना India दा संग्रिंगे ममांगी तांगकमा post pre merger अतकी pre merger and post pre merger post merger है ताई सी तांगक नहीं से कोई ना ये कांदा कोई से nation state nation who है ताई मधु जाति में लाख पर ना कोई ना India दा संग्र कांसिदा कोई political status है कोई ना लेजर महाने की dignity respect self-respect कोई कोई यामना कोई रे यामना है दी यामना लोज़र में याम सिंह से याम gradually तब न सम निगाह रख पाए थे अरे इंडिया संग रकान ने अरे इंडिया संग रकान सी निगाह रख तो न the population से mainly in India रे लेरी बा कोई सब कुछ माना था बा जात माना था बा कोई मैं याम सिंह से ना कोई कमाई येंगे मिटिंग से यामना discriminatory होई बा है याम हंडा बथालती है to which हाइड बा मैं याम सिंह से कोई से opposed हुई या सियादी तो कोई द फिल तो जरी से as a Manipuri कोई न मोइदे हेलिना है से कोई न nation state विना से हेलिसिंग अनी बात है कोई one of the oldest कोई Asiatic countries मरक ता हाइप ता कोई one of the oldest कोई nation state ने हारेगा कोई ना इंडिया दा लाख कान से कोई status से political status से party state का थमक पा अरे ये कोई द पी के द खुदोंसा में हम सिंह politically कोई द right to decide ना हाई ताई कोई द political की ओइ बा वाफम में हम social economic कोई वाफम में हम सिंह से कोई ना decide तो मतलब से कोई say ले रखता बाहर ताई we were totally controlled कोई control तो बाहर ताई by the Indian system the politics and polity सिम में हम संगीत मरमोरेगा कोई न टेक्निकल लाइफ से यामना traumatic कोई बात है कि यामना control suppress था इतना यामना मोइना अदम फाजल लग पुंजल लगा देखिए नमधर लगा देखिए torture तो लगा तो भी वापम से हम सांग लाख रहे हैं इतना
मधुना मरमोरेगा
कोई
regional party से
अदम मरमोरेगा सी background है जब नहीं को सी ना political social economic background नहीं ना वहाँ से कोई तो टेक्नोलॉजी से कोई economy दा social life the political life से कोई से कोई वही वाफम सिंह याम मांगी बदों मांगी ताकि बदों तो भी याम सिंह से मसे revive तो बच्चेंगे सिंह resurgence
तो न मरम मरकांडा कोई national party से तो होगा regional party से बनेगा
no हाना regional party ले रुपये की वानी आई न थमनेंगे से अदुगा but at some point of time कितंग कोई में याम हाइनब ले national party द ruling द का यार गदी कितंग है ना मैं आमगी problems grievances में आमसे कितंग address तो करे है ना adequately address तो वो हम का drive walk load से तो कोई national party से trial basis ने try to we offer some luck we hate it but ultimately in the hiding it still a role consider national party level was not quick reasons you over states you over I'm genuine over problem may am lady issues may am address the one of promised a lot of promises.
Okay, next round thank you very much for your observation. I Dr. Damulaksige Dr. Maru in a koi CPI that he ho with the home na koi CPI Yarga Lak Pibani Mikal the Mai Park na koi ministers who Ibirame are in culture minister Ibiram dana Aduna Aduki Matung da Akoyaji Amuk Mamang the Sukoi Mikal the Tangnabiki by the MP Hajik forward the Dolgi a humble latena Adum by CPI stadum Warabasu Nungairabasu Punsiga Arab Miku forward the koi Sigi parties at Tatu Hiraga Sangai ba politics there. Karamba wakalon dino Dr. Nathambi.
See the basic philosophy samaj si koina scientifically yengbada ahong ba kaya lai chahi million kaya gi itihas ni miyoi bana samrak ngamrak oina lerambadagi mi oirakpa madagi development of society si mathang lakpada primitive society like rekoida nungi jukki mi then slavery system minai loibagi samaj gi saktam adui mathangda feudalism ningthau panbagi chandalonchet mamai thangda ganatantra gi praja gi mihut oijabagi wakhal sumaina laktana develop toraiba samaj asigi yawon asi karomda chatkadagi haibasi various Rantiki, social thinkers, philosophers, the scientists, Mayam Sina, Nainaraga, Lakopunamuxi. Nasi Leriba Samazisi, Karamna, Mioibagi Kunayasi, Chatari Bagi, Karamna Horokpagi Amasung, Tungdakari Werekadagi, Haibasi Tune Yangba, Rantiki philosophy, si, Aina Satra wearing edagi, the poverty of philosophy. Karl Marx ne iramba masi lyric si ne Calcutta tamjaring ida thing nei loina na Bengal si communist singi means left movement sigi root amoina lerpa ai sum khara yaujari satra movement dagi ai lyric pa basu hawi loina na lecture ka Jyoti Basuna deputy CM oiring edagi function ka sum yaurpa lab ki leader singa sum contact lerpa dagi RNTC I chana na uziki electoral politics ta yauge na khalna yaugi badi nachedi adubu rainti si tangai phado poramani hai philosophy mayam moi lecture taruba movement da khara yaurok pududa ai sum naine jabadagi yes marxism gi wakhalon si yaksum thajajaro a science loina na communism gi wakhal asidi communism asidi the highest stage of development of society oigidori bani hujik haurokpada socialism is it's the beginning of the communism socialism the high ribisi samna mi khuding maksi mana ngamjabagi matungina suba mana suri budugi matungina phangjaba basic oiba pot ngasige koi samaj madu leitriku then sigi socialism si stage further develop it will enter into the era of communism. Means when there are plenty of goods. For example, science and technology punamaksi sagalaga madu apply tarukanda. Maduda mi punamaksi mana ngamjabai matungina suba. Tayumusung darkaro pot punu pangan. Say for example, disabled natraga ahlamana kasuka in subangamti. Angangama mathabak subangamjati. But magi requirement do the koi piptai. Sumaina plenty of production lerpa samajugi thak the highest stage of society sina communism oigani. Madu purakna bhona bagi ranti kanglo nasi karakrasum naine jarupudagi ai communist party si yauninghi 1973 da aina Calcutta dagi like tambalura matungda I joined the communist party in 1993 I mean 1973 madagi di I was the youngest candidate 1974 da ahanba statehood phangaba matungi election do adudagi hauna I vote lepseri okay adudagi kadrasu basic philosophy the political philosophy the scientific version, the scientific society ama koina leibada nungai doriba si watta padaba samaj ama oira nungai gani sigi wakhalon asida marxism asi khar nei na jaruraga ai party sida yawning pu
okay thank you very much
madudagi ngasi bhawba leijari because I don't think that dual pangchong de chong sisu darkar oyene khandi basic principle the thajarabadi madu implement to ngamnu bhona bada what is the harm
okay thank you very much haji fauda adugi CPI ki Marxist ki ideology ki makha tamna chatla da koi party ji hongre lai ai yamung namu laksige maruina koi state politics ta koi tawira me am koi MLA odana why you choose to come to the central politics I mean koi MP gi ona lepa pam ise kari gi no koi state politics da thajaba thamak tabra natragana mamangi leiriba sarkar pai bada su adu member oina koi MLA member yawiramani kari gi no koi state policy thadu kanda koi gi central politics da lak ya koi yorok pam isi kai mem gi
no before that adu kumdinge da party gi from party ma thadu ma party ma satpi wapam se masi sumayam panni when that central party national party fails to deliver national party the mayam aspirations mayam very problems issues mayam singsi in moigi masam ge own interest politics torkanda the family one family controlling the entire politics ultimately mayam yoba address the one kanadi there's no harm in leaving that party how party leave the kisu guidance it's a larger interest mayam we worry calling mayam singsi which party, karma party, na deliver to the weapons that then there's a wide range of choice. That is a set of ideas. Okay, the regional conflict, regional differences, like what party may am saying, mo in a pini hargasum director should I still stick to that, which will never, ever deliver. Peace period why we should be dreaming. Why should we should be crying for the moon? I have a question level. We really don't do some dollar. And so, Madu concept to the Hondomaga, Kitanga, Mayam India did, Okui Jatis in India, they could respect to regain to the rights Mundia did. State the original party of formation, original is the only aggressive regionalism is the only answer in the consider. There's nothing wrong. Must the idea Mayam Lana, Lobi, no have to say Tamjani, the Arkan and Nangasi, Kanantana. I hygienic, but when I see Tabuk to Jerry, Miam, politics together. Yam sang a sat waiting as a lawyer and activist and a human rights defender when Adegi Manipur territorial integrity, unity, and from time to time, lack issues. See me, I'm saying associate like see, so if anybody doubts, I'm sorry. There's a Kanakana panel, the Kanbi Ganguna. Arkan yam tuna troga lebak yam shiva sabaga I don't know who's he to certify me on this. Levan shiva is one person is going to certify and Arkan is certified orga masung shiva netrung shidam the gap I have city yam unfounded and hype heading day I should be invited to that this thing panel and ma want a question telling about who are you to assess me. I assess the risk grounded or please don't question my patriotism, the devotion to the community, the nation. I do not walk regionalism, the am some regionalism, the strong feeling later. Please don't question that. Question the way me I want to give a quite a current talk to carry and contribute to very often. And as I come to that second question, please repeat.
State politics is the key. Hana Yawira Makan, central politics, the Lapa Pan, Simmerina, MLA, Virame, housing MP when it was a curry tony
situation demands high tare. State politics that we have a hesitate away our house that over my Amsterdam. I am a MPP, the carrying it and the RPP, unfortunately, high the DRPP, federal and MPP, when unification to MPP, the company. The quite we have the way, my am to consider state key, the state issue. Opposition and also ruling the about the ruling opposition and branding, adum attack ma PA, minor. High with the issues may state level, state key within the house of the assembly is discussed on no by. Physics parliament key debate, Parliament the chang state ki issue me Parliament theater change to was from state to center. Center means Parliament ki theater is shift to was amru en khale. You know the see debate me am see experience like legislation ki experience later. Ade political exposure later na. Ade ki masi me am se tawna na tawdring the lebak nung si bahagi the lebak idam the kathok me am si yauduna. Who's going to debate in the parliament? Karana debate parliament the debate with all commitment either with honesty, official saying na. Kari haini without any doubt haitare. The question of okay na kenu tu ki adugi kenu tu debate ka torok surrender to vibhat to nataba. If necessary, you knock the door of the parliament. If necessary, for the storm the parliament, as she conception ever. Okay, issues may say, masi tan mama changing kali. For that, you need experience. You must live issues may say, I think this is good still level thing. No, we have thing, but level number is something tank. Amalak panina. Stated some deraga. Okay, politics don't have wafam slatey. I've always tried the idea. Some nahawing again state politics. Correct exposed to MP say. I don't fight or MP level or parliament. Mayamama, the amna Karihani Indian gi like psychology, something normally to can like ever. This mainland India gi concept, a quite a period mayam saying, no, a quite school the frankly speaking, quite Delhi the school to me. There are Chosang Machas, minister, ambassador, high officers, mayam. Adigi kari kana haige army gi adigi air force ki navy ya chosang sa mayam se tambe akhoi na dominate to lai akhoi na akhoi se worship to re haitar we were moi okay no ne ba akhoi gi kari haini heroes ne ba ado one day hai mayam sing lerga we want to dominate in terms of politics, in terms of economy, whatever debate had the debate to mayam sing se khoi manipur go bi issue e north east ki wegera khoi labor problem mayam sing se who is a president said taxable? Or debate president window, or who we are, I say, President Tamaga, right, Margaret Mayam, we want to bring them back. Okay. See, Mayam sings national politics, Lakani, the Todona state, the state politics, the Henda, the Handa, they wanted. I wonder, I see about I quite a height, Miam, Evaxio issues, Mayam sings the Loiner Jarakpa, Totna Jarakpa. Quite a how we may say these sentiments from the heart. Okay. See me as a parliament. Tin Mutsang is in see them. Okay. Why I am in this.
Thank you very much. I Tamadong like to get on Marina. State politics is the Gitamusu, national politics, central politics. Stangak Hamada, Minister Obirame, Iron Kachaki, don't want but I packet pyramid. Why you want to join to central politics? Kari, you know, Tamon and Gabigre. Tamon is a biration, Karim.
Well, Ranti Yaure State MLA Aitam Ohumla Oizere Cabinet Mantri Anirak Oigre Sigi experience Mayam si Tabak Karihana Toning Busup Hori Loina state politics Sida Matam Sang na Lerak Padagi Promote Taurak Mandi situation Duna Chahi factor experience ki factor loina na angang wani di khalak po khaldagi sum ahal oisaluk matamda anouba gyan duga loina na khare hena tawning basi phawrei loina na party na su praja na su Delhi daga chat MP ga oihaning bai wakhal si sungang na bahuruk pa mayam si su that influenced me adudi central politics ta lakpa matamda aina dum thajajai madudi ai khare hena work tawgani khare hena khangani khare hena thabak tawb ngamgani haibagi thajabasi shad lai maramaduna as a promotion laiba development of the processes aduna masana tana ai atei su khalangwani khali ai sagi su matamsi parliament da ka chatna miyam gi mayut ojerga Kardang Nangna Chanapa Mayam si the policy making Luena ideas parliament focus tork matumda Madu Henan popularized of Miam dena Kanganba Aduga Luena Aigi state ki politics the Hangak experience Mayam si Masi national level da Kardang तौनिंग अखोइना पुथोकपा आइडिया अमना मयामना सु पामनबो ओहेनबा कासे मंगसु मंगी मदुन मरम वरगा सेंटर द चनिंग बै वखल से फावरखी
ai makhata ba handaki election sida praja dagi kamai tawdana vote se phangnabo honariba aduga NEIDP su kamai tawna honariba ju makhata na ko hamjana lojege marak sida ai aten ba break amta lojege break ki matung da hang da pangthok doriba lok sabha mi khalas da inner gi mirep oireba ani isina kamai tawdana manipur miyam dagi akhoi vote se phangnaba kamai to khong dur habadu makhoi gi bofum tamina si we'll be back after the break.
Lagliba Lok Sabha Mikhal da Adom ki Mamal Naidraba vote pu manghan biganu afava mirep khanbiraga matam chana lakpi raga vote thadabiyo laibak sembada saruk yaminasi.
Manipur has different kind of talent.
Lady talent mayamasi uthok janabi damakta achauba platform ama pijari.
Any kind of talent can participate in this mega talent show.
No matter where we're at and how busy we were, we may not get the time to spend the whole day together, but a time always brings us together when we are dining, especially when gathered around such divinely crafted amenities.
Welcome back after the break. Koi makhata na koi candidate ani isigi kamai dawna housing board ko masi laliba tang tra truk to loigedabani tang tra panda koi mikhal se both hadana gadamni ayamudula sigi housing manipur ki miyam sida NEIDP ki maiki dagi karamba prajana pam gada mamong da torokanda both si khomi aduga kamai dawna masida koi mai pak ni habi asale ba kele
koi haijande the first thing haitare akhoi NEIDP na prajada henjan ba oiroi do ba haigadra yam chana da ba hayeng nongma khang kadam yam se haijan de haitare we don't make false promises na khoi gi di khoi na chahi humra gi experience the national parties me am sing pairama ga khoi hopeless work ba khoi survival the threat tor ba hingjana ba gi ya khoi kongun mulak pya ba gi khoi siam handaba thak the very low class citizenship haita citizen work ko kolku me am sing si khoi the reverse toning si answer ma khoi pining khoi gi keno am future haita maru area younger generation lai ba khoi angang sing satra sing youth sing si the target to we haita da khoi gi di khara anoi be sing gi di khoi di matam loire ga haina ba se still mo is to gan ba policy program ya am khoi dum to we formulate to we but more than anything else khoi gi di I quite a promise to give me to fulfill to give us. National parties they are all alike in the height. Some money heighter. We promise to open as you came to the question filter. Presamiam showing a city. My bills and we saw it. When my holy heighter, angangs in one of future lady height. A lot of angangs in Maruin, even drug key problem, labor, the key to one. We carry high climatic, we see. I am heighter climate changes key or often ma'am, the economy. As you all the time, as you India central government, the dependent with no economies, literally high we have to reduce to pure beggars in high. The beggars, I said, you pick up a begging bowl, then may need not to know, so option late. See, this is the culture now. See, culture, the Delhi, always Delhi depends on Delhi, the Nusibiragadi. When I do to be regular, that to be regular, higher. See what I'm saying. See a quay masi reverse toner by the top options ma'am any IDP gidi masi more jobs, self-reliance, expansion of economic activities, economic zone lari ma'am sing loin mo koi target ro kanda maro in youths colleges, community colleges ma'am mo ji hana sigi pattern lari si dem college the university the Churachandpur college labor si nataba koi yam vibrant in every district labor community college labor ma'am se fazin train to biba mapangi mi ma'am se ngasi local labor low river khudong sa phangi ma'am sing se koi own people na koi satra sing na like the yam hena mathak hai tare hai the awang bathak ta hong do ma'am sing the job oriented ma'am to ba plus koi gi funding pattern hai tare lai riba mapangi beyond India ke beyond the globally yeng ba economy se kamai to se expand to se ge kari atop to funding ma'am kamai to no tapping to bi khot ma'am and adai area du ni India ga koi ga lai ba har gi established parties ma'am sing se moi gi mindset yam ke no limited oi ba da koi de ya di to ma'am sing se na mar mo restrictions ma'am sing se mar mo ga koi de ngase kem to gam dre so we need to break that barrier ada koi even India gi policies में economic is अकोई लेबा external affairs की खंडे तेरी policy home की खंडे लेरी में हम सिक्जे इनो न change तो वैसे चंगे कलर अदाई दी हम ने aggressive, vibrant, assertive regionalism तो रगा इंडिया की लेबा regionalism थाज़ रगा many states in India है तो regional party में हम सिक्जे अकोई जो partner में वो रगा India की the effective participation political participation lakna bai se koi target ni together for change ngasi manipur mya ngasi awana big than lari se vote sida for justice, for self respect, for our survival, for self reliance sidai the fight out targadi koi soid na hong report ko ngamone se any IDP na thaje koi thim maksu together for change and adugi thamjaban
ai dr dongla sage maruina hazik tungan ba NADP ki regional party amoina nongna form to ba kuidu party ni sidai da praja sing si u tongna ba moi de ki vote se lakna ba tungan to myam CPI oina di kamai tawtana people de ki vote se phangna ba thaja ba leina ba kamai honde bi hazik strategies kamai che
yes sigi leba mana hangbiri bo hangdu gi matungin ti huziki election ki campaign sigi mom sini हाइनिंगाई याम लेखरे दो करमाइन तो मियाम दा वोट खोंगदगी हाइबदुदी फॉर एग्जांपल आइना कैंडिडेट अम ओइजरुबनिना आई कनानो हाइबसि मणिपुर की प्रजाना खंगबि इतिहास मगी सुंखोंगुन लिरक पोट अमनी पीपल ना आइने MLA वरिङैदा आइना मंत्री वरिङैदा तौगिब थबक सिंग सि काउंट तवे मदुगी मियामना नुंगसीबीगी बामसुंग एप्रिशिएट तौगिब थबक मयामसी कैंपेन दा दुम मसाना लाई आइना हाइबद नतना people my supporters the common people those who know moin dum lakse there are very many unique experiences aikona tawjik vida say for example aina ahanba mantri oirak matamda veterinary kanam pai bi yada department oirak ai onde alot tawi madu ai dum accept tawki mayam na pikpo department ni mantri veterinary mantri si mantri macha oine gallawe so concept to aina challenge lawraga veterinary se upgrade tawna bhone I was the first man kedar review veterinary doctor singh say MBBS doctor the scale ma handana pyramid it was practically an insult manaba thabaki manaba tolok moi phangam de so I took it up upgraded tawre non practicing allowance pire sumai tor hau loinana international policy aigi bibhag si major department ama olangani amasung miyam da masak thokpa department ama ohingani haibagi wakhal sida ai international policy hogdoki of course United Nations ki a call for culture for peace have slogan ri makhada because ai the World Peace Council the su yauji international event kaya si khara khara sum yauj badagi aina mad World Peace Council ki mating su lawi delegate mayam si from 26 countries madagi di international policy tongno hon the Indian Army madu involved to holi madri the chief of the army happens to be the president of the Indian Polo Association. Sumaina Tauraga, Madu Tawid, huge affair, Manipur Prajana Kangi, Prithivi Namasakangi, Madu Tawgidugi Matungdani, Polo Si Manipur, the Sagol Kangi Wina. How do Kibani have Guineas book to Yaugibud? Masiki event Mayamsi, people appreciate the way. Madugi Tabakuto, art and culture, Pirate Pada, Kardang Aina Tawzaki, cultural policy, Hodono Bohonaba. Then sericulture, the Japanese, saying Naraga, the Japanese project Ama Paikat Pohor, Mayam sericulture. Madu 1998 the sanction tor Pishasi Lobo Sumundale. It was only me, Aigi Matamda, Japan Pishasi, actually Pisha Laura Sin of Hudom by Missy Aini. Aina Paidra Matungdamu, something went somewhere wrong. Adi di Japan Pisha Piroy project to close the Si Punamaxi Prajana compare Tauri. Loinana Aigi Chahi Karasigi, MLA, Ibamasum Mantri, Marakta, Aigi Lejaba way of life, Aiga Miam Galoina Jaba, Miam, the Lagi Batajaba, Punamaxi, Masi Prajana, Dum Haira board si, Adum pinning by Wakal Sili. Equina Sokuna Tozagi by Mendu, Pina Bohone. Loinana, Aikoi was it Hantaki Sita. Train anong experience ni. Saying Almeri mayam say for and against I don't want to enter into that. National party na loin fail. No, I don't agree. Regional party, how many regional parties have been formed? How many are surviving? How many have died? Whether new outfit is going to survive for how many days? Sugumbam sida. National Giwadante, Communist Party is an international party. Worldwide labor ideology. It's a very strong world changes, ma'am. The scientific way of society, Sagat Kani Haibasida, Sagat Pangamba, Malem the Utpangamba. Somewhere, Kadai the fellow it happens. It has many millions of years, all human history. It has to continue another millions. Sigi Marakta, Laiba changes sing a Sigi, Mong Yanga, update Toba, Madagi, somewhere organization Punumukiwani, ups and downs Legani. Then political rivalries. Sigi Chingdana Buhanaba, Madu conflicts and contradictions, Madugi Manuda, improvement, Natraga, Maduda, Sakam Togiba, Laitabanati. Aduna, Siguma Mayamsi Nainaga. Communism means Communist Party na pami. Social justice ki wani. Socialism is it does not mean only one word. It involves many things. Society is a mapum mo na chaukalan bagi. Kwai digi nungai ba thak adu pina bhona bada. Social justice adu phangna bhona bagi process amani haijari ba.
Okay, hazik laiba National Party ga Regional Party ga ki khena ba yano nai khanga wa famni.
Yes.
At the same time akoi mamagi election da tamosu second ta horrible.
Yes.
Makhata na tamona kari to rai haji for the kari to ge people na at the same time sumna ka NIDP kari to khangai haji laibu wahang di ekoi lairiba central lairiba si haji chauna party ani laisi BJP and Congress ni haji CPI gi oina karam matam da kari kanaga doribuno animak thang ka wahang ni CPI gi karam matam da sarkar sembada yaugudora yaurudra habus tambangam dribni adumaku mikhal thengderibni swai sida as CPI gi oina Michael Tengdariba, Mamang Rasu, Ani Subata, Handak Subuk Tengdariba, post data, Kari Kanabali, Maruina, who CP and the Kaitobung, we do have area Tambioduga, any idea with the Sudak?
Yes, why not? Our party is not so small. Matam Matamgi Kaba Masunkada Vesilaiko. We were ruling the Bengal. Bengal ko na rule tormi ni Kerala husik rule tori Tripura ko na rule tormi Manipur da ko sarkar pai biawi Bihar or some other states somewhere matam gi matung ilak di yauki ai koi hantaki sida kare na khalaga kari tawgdagi government sembedugi wadanati ai koi sarkar ma lebam thoi leido report si hujikti amukai haijage one party rule sidi leiraro he BJP matomdar sarkar pai bi yaroi neither the Congress moina M tawjar bi ai hujikti coalition gi irani whether you agree or not coalition gi jukne situation demand torop pot amane सिदा अयमगा थमजनिंगे सागी भारत तलैरिबा रजिस्टर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से लिसिंग अनिगा चनी मरफुदरा हुंदो अदि मनुंगा आरके की पार्टी सी यावरिबनी पार्टी मयाम सी इलेक्टोरल प्रोसेस दी यावे इन बिग वे इन स्मॉल वे एटलीस्ट वोट थादबौदी थोइए पार्टी मयाम अमसुंग भारत की एंटायर पॉपुलेशन लोइने इन्वॉल्व तौरिबा जनरल इलेक्शन अमने सिदा बीजेपी अमसुंग कांग्रेस खक्तगी लान ओइना उतनबा होनै बीजेपी ने होनै कांग्रेस ने होनै वी डोंट एग्री मरमदी मोई खक्त नत्ते पार्टी मयाम पीपल इन्वॉल्व तौ नाउ सिगी लेरिबा स्ट्रगल सी हंत की इलेक्शन सी बीजेपी अमसुंग कांग्रेस अगी अनि की फाइट मदुगी बैटल फील्ड ओइना उतनबा मोई होनै व्हिच इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग अरानबा पोट अमनी मरमदी कोई लोइने इन्वॉल्व तौर पोट अमनी आई थिंक आरके आनंद ऑल्सो विल एग्री मरमदी ही इज कंटेस्टिंग माय पार्टी इन्वॉल्व तौरिनी इन डिफरेंट वेज वी आर कंटेस्टिंग वी आर फाइटिंग सी लाप कांदा प्रजा मयामना करंब पार्टीना करंब मीना हाइबसी येंगग पिनर कदोरी पोट अमने मधु गणतंत्र की प्रोसेस अमने लेट इट बी हंदक लाई पोसी हानगी दोल अनीसी अचौब दोल हाइनरिबसी मोइन अनी खकी फाइट ओइना तौनु होनरसु प्रजा नंगसिदी कांग्रेस खीरे बीजेपी सु कीरे हाइबम because of happenings the demands the situation issue mayam sina praja si rethinking realization amalai adudi party de yengba kangtana yadre sarkar paiba party ne na pirui tauthorapudadi miyam gi peningai oidre adorgadi ai koi party oina khallaroi mi oina yengane se hat manipur gi praja ngang na ba it's a new process ni new idea ni ai koi parliament da miyang gi thengna bang ngam ga do ba mi madu da vote pi ni se anu khola mane ai di people na landi adudi madu da ni congress amsung bjp gi failure sina anu thinking of like that's a good thing let the people start thinking let the people judge
ai somna da yamung dam lak sege yamung maru haji ai people na wang ni haji cpi gi site gi thambi gre any idp gi anu party ni sida mikhal kare center da kai to gi don hai wangs ni ji people hangi badra haji tamunar su takpi dunia koi bjp ga congress gi adumba war oi uhan ba any national media oro amo ro ji lei pocha swais da any idp gi mire amo ne kari hai
bjp ga congress ka moi gi vote na te da hanakte it's a sinking ship boat bjp su congress su moi gi footfall si kai hai ni maina grassroots level the pioneer hona da awam moje hai ta there's no unity ai congress is unity le train law is a dying party now national party or mbi in due course of time koi na ga khanja any idp na ga p na ba answer ma alternative answer ma entire process reverse no go tawis lak ta de mai yang wa ni hai ta bjp same thing northeast ki Manipur Miyam ki sentiments against that don't work the way it's a zero party now. Congress is almost a zero party now. They are fighting for survival. They're going to filter this. And then only Congress ki another BJP uhan madong torse is also misleading the party. I mean people praise ki the way gera madu way gera moi masen hunna madu way tori me am sing se moi asoi ngang tu na through. One is pointing out Congress is patam meyam Congress is pointing out BJP patam meyam sido prajada moi fight ni hai se kamai hai the fight has shifted tonganba the level of the sat kreba people are becoming more and more conscious more and they are thinking like aina some taza bani ko jiksi some section of population na rang han cap ki university ki like issues meyam ate territorial integrity Naga framework, adigi ada adigi mayam Manipur people's bill lai mayam sing si loi ni ignore toroga asibo pesa khra gi dam to siki ana khra du gi dam to moi life moi gi career yon thokadra ai masi ai yam frank kenuniko moi masa sing moi angang sing hori satra mayam hori moi future ki ma parun color way driver this electorates young electorates also asi what han thada ni ga yam harai mayam sing sibu are they not educated? My life hit the bribe. A quick thing, maybe she was saying, come the bribe. moi ojasing na sini taktabrai mama pan sini taktabrai tam bataragadi khangagadi leibaki oina dum turn dor kaneba who is the best candidate who can kanana parliament debate toni moi political ideology kari no moi concept kari no youth kari promise story adegi satra kari promise story for the elders kari moi what promises they hold is moi kari moi na kari wasa I guys ya si inga kadrain khale si me am sing si la kan de automatically ai me boy ai bo ne congress si koi ai congress thado me apa ba kislete congress ai su ultimately moi gi kari hai ne moi gi apa ma to fulfill tawnu one of the Manipur will be sacrificed, many Manipurs will be sacrificed, Nagaland will be sacrificed, Assam will be sacrificed. Top me am some sacrifice to put the Maramoriga see South Angapon regionalism sa high crane. Why the northeastern state many regional parties the pirate. The resurgence is there. How the crave was it? People say, okay, India, they am sang your other. I say a quick proper status of Peter, but they are intolerant. I don't know what to say. This mainland think tank, Congress or BJP or I'm saying, a quite marginalized to peripheral area, labor, Sak Kuchubana, the language manner, the civilization manner, the Wakam manner, the India, the unity and diversity, and they like Minarugumto. But they cannot accept. Regionalism, India has a two either Haizen Gumto. India basically subsists on that. I think to role meaning to 526 princely states, Mam Punjale, Jammu Kashmir lady, Tripura lady, Manipur lady, so many states. See me, I'm saying Punjalaga religion manner, the Wakal manner, the Sakuju manners, India Sabneba. India, Indian, we don't get a mainland labor marathon number, Mamit Lao, Makuichu, Mamam, Koyasu manner, the Koyasu. Mito in some kind of man, saying a quick matter, palm the dictator only height. I'm sorry. Where MP of Torres, Anidor, Sukarga, we totally disagree with you. And otherwise, surrender this. Sulok or Roeva. I hiding the Nasi India, the constitutional changes, Mam Lakadam. Karubino when Article 370 is scrapped only, not 335 acre, which Jammu Kashmir. Manipur should be guaranteed that. Manipur needs more constitutional guarantee. Constitution guarantee me am sangiba I have started shouting I law away kai do we the Manipur prime minister India prime minister period president group period could win why not a cabinet minimum see me am saying p the some India parliament tamaga suppressed group a nation what the nation mine suppressed nation when some hingalaga democratic participation effective participation in parliament the corridor powers is so everyone started asking it. I should not see Hangi. I should not see Hangi. Some I should settle target in the very foundation height of India. Nasi Hingis here. See foundations here. Kairak Kaneba. Ado Aina that way Aduna Maramorigai BJP Susamani, the Kari Congress Samari, equidistance and height. It should be the Galeri Manipur Miami don't take to be again to Kanaraga. See the Paneva, my own, the regional party, the Supremo High Command in Manipur, Miam, will decide on the basis of the wishes of the people of Manipur. Manipur, Miami, a palm of the Kudi Satkan, see what comes here, like a tongue.
Okay. I was I say, Tamjani Karigumba Karagadi, Kari, Tobiga, the Gi Hyperportuda. Now, Huziki Laiba political process in Hajakiptuni, BJP Matom than Sarkar Sembangamo, Congress Sungamoy, Swaida. Communist Party in low river role si kari oidagi sida ai koi hanadagi lawjei madudi coalition era mani coalition government asi gi hainaba amasung oithokpa yaba lambi thibutai huji bharat ta leiriba huji ki political changes scenario sida secular oiba democratic oiba loinana left broad base alliance that is the need of the hour. Maduda Communist Party na khak palitan hon jagan. How give it up MP yam de heaven at one time 62 layer parliament. We were very important key in the governance. Hujik su madugi potla kani ev thaji. So we have a role to play. Lady government asigi himai chumba maramdi ai tom the natia. आइगी पार्टी की MP मसिंग यामदब याई मसिंग हंगकने हंदक लोइनना लेफ्ट पार्टीज टेकन टुगेदर देन लाइक माइंडेड हांदगी लोइने जब पार्टी खर लेरी मधुगी MP मसिंग सु हेंगलकनी we will have a bigger role to play at this moment when the BJP is posing lot of threats, even constitution is being attacked. Natrido secular democratic foundation ama lady basing asidi under threat ne. Maramaduna more and more progressive political parties will come together, including the regional parties, to overthrow this fascistic dictatorial government. Adu maina idi phauji.
Okay, matam su loisale. Time is running out. Loisalak bada barui na khoi board ko magi tanza hai badai. Mayam da hining gadoba. Hai badi tang tara truk sa roi boy gadoba. Ngasi khoi ki types of Manipur see 42 countries da all over the world yengi ba adu ma ki Manipur ki aham ba private satellite channel ni. Yamu ngasi khoi khuthang da loisalak bis da aina mere mo na tholai ba se sigi de magtani aduna ai sigi nga bhoche pibiu hai ba adu ki tentak perform thambiyo mo.
We say Jati Moina, we are facing certain extinction hype there. We say Mutkibi Ave film late, Koi future late, Koi politics late, Koi Yagi context the present policies the Koi can late. But I must see my to fight a hope I say, but I'm trying to fight out na Koi Miam Manipur Miam ultimate Haitare authority or go. Koi Hingjana na by the Koi Sigi struggles is something that I be walk low see Koi. Any IDP the I'm saying no mitai any IDP political agenda ni koi to side koi philosophy ni aranga si Manipur hingna na beta koi survival the koi ijat laina haitai ijat laina mina usita na thoi na tori mi am sing che masdiki nan thuk na beta mungta koi Manipur no Manipur ma my own program thuk tain kali adai de koi any IDP na we answer we bahagadra national parties in Maru in a major national parties in Lady Mam Sig we answer when we pin and number we honors of an walk lolsini and a Toshan Zerk but high tare my kitigi Manipur Miam the Maru in the northeast Miam no Tamjading see Koi as a political entity when a Koi Manipur to the area limit of the northeast expand on Mukano Hodaria do more MPs any IDP MPs Miam Putopa India gi political process na high gadressigi ma'am since the equations da koi oba same as over same lehalaga India gi decision making the yawna na koi future later workload sida koi fight over changing kali na koi just a koi gi social justice for no one of the human rights nga no one of the koi economy reliance side are koi self reliance la mo one of the koi na ngi yenga mi yeng sidagi India ki Delhi yang bermaksud globally yang bermaksud tarin kali ada itu dia aku step luxury high betai.
Okay. Thank you. This kamugia roi ba wafum thambiu maru ina Tanzania cubut Tanzania bizari bisi Manipur miam da thambiu.
Ngasi si Manipur ki leiri prajana koi leipak si lamjing bina ba yaudraba lamang narba praja miam direction yaudana chatpa. Koi masen siamam bada thengna bada di Yiknabani khana hataba. Sikilariba situation punamakse raiti ki param swerpadagini. Nasi prajamyam na pendriba, lauriba khongiba, koi parliament ki MP singsuit mathok tawgidian lauba. Tanja sida mang da thengnagriba issue mayam sina prajamyam si prajagi mihut oiba parliament miyam sigi nuaitab pendaba si phongdoktana miyam sigi penana honarpagi kholawadu ngang bataningi haiba tanja amani matang sida karigumba praja miyam na ibu thagat pirigedi miyam sigi apamba ningba punamaktu kokthong nadra pujaraka aikoi praja miyam da aina tawjagadaba ithawadu parliament da thauna leina thengnajaba ngambagi tanjadu amuktadi pibiu Manipur prajagi mapung phana seba tawjaba ngambagi tanjadu pibiu haina Manipur gi praja punamut khurumjari.
Okay, thank you very much for coming to our show. Wish you all the best. Tamo my pak pu review my pak comedy out delivery tang taran pan thadar rakhangani tamo all the best. Wish our wishes for both of you. Agasi ke di Lok Sabha election 2019 cast your vote to the right candidate matang selection jare hayeng chu pumkham simakta ta akhoi atopa candidates ki unaduna kari gi demakta moina vote lepa pami ba kari gi praja thongni ba praja gi seba thongni bolina karam bam yoida khoi praja sina vote pigedege haibadu thamjage. Thank you for watching. Good night for today.
Thank you.